strategy that we could do to keep the ears clean, and if they're mildly impacted or if they have mild amounts of wax that are in there, it's a strategy that you could do that could easily exfoliate it, if you will. Get it out on a more conservative, just day-to-day sort of basis, just to keep them clean in between visits, things like that.
Our drop is a half-strength hydrogen peroxide mix pre-made for you.
To be somewhat effervescent, you should be bubbly, should kind of break up any toughness of the wax, dryness of the wax. It should hydrate it. And it should try to pull it away from the skin gently. And you want to do it drop by drop. You really want to feel the drops really go all the way in. And we'll talk about how to make sure that it's really, just like a tunnel, it's going all the way down towards where the eardrums sit and not just hanging out towards the outside and missing the target altogether. You want to get your ear drop, and then it's good to have kind of, ear up. And it's good to rest it against this cartilage over here called the tragus. It just gives you fulcrum that you can pivot against. And then you want to give it a little squeeze, and then you'll start to feel it. And then you might get that plugged up feeling. That's good. It basically means you got some in there. And then what you're going to want to do is really press on what we call the tragus over here. Pump it. Because what this is doing now is it's driving the drops all the way down. And this just makes sure you don't get the drops caught up behind air bubble. It's not really reaching its target. So you don't want any protected areas, especially deep ones, because if that's where the wax gets stuck, it's harder to get out as well, more painful too, so you don't want that. So once that's all set, have tissue ready, and then when you get back up, you'll notice things start to clear out, and then you can wipe out what comes out. That's it. So a really easy way to maintain ears. And then sometimes it may be recommended to you as a strategy to help loosen the wax before you go in to get it formally cleaned out. So the strategy would be the same. Hope that helps.